Hello everyone, it's me, Raiza Contawi, and welcome to another episode of the Beauty Wars. In this episode, pagtatapatin natin ang dalawang foundation brands na halos pareho talaga sila ng features. And if you have oily to combination skin, rejoice dahil ito yata ang isa sa pinakakilalang drugstore foundation brands out there para sa inyong skin type. And so without further ado, let's get to know the contenders. Our first contender is Maybelline Superstay 24 Full Coverage Foundation, which has full coverage. It's long-lasting, it has a seamless matte finish, it's breathable and comfortable, fade and transfer resistant, oil-free, it doesn't clog pores, and it retails 499 pesos. Battling with Maybelline is L'Oreal's Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Foundation. It has a demi-matte finish, also wears up to 24 hours. It has medium coverage, air light, it's oil-free, it's meant for oil control, and it also retails 499 pesos. With all the features mentioned, mukhang mas lamang ang Maybelline pagdating sa coverage. When it comes to finish, it depends sa gagamit kung ano mas preferred niya, kung matte ba or demi-matte. In my case, I prefer a demi-matte finish because gusto ko may glow. You know me when it comes to glow. Finally, we're going to put this to test. On this side will be Maybelline and on this side will be L'Oreal. Uunahin ko na ang Maybelline because lagi ko naman ginagamit ang L'Oreal. And I will be using the shades. I have here Natural Beige and Sun Beige. Unahin ko muna yung Natural Beige just to see how this works. Oh, okay. Pagdating pa lang din sa container, wait. I prefer the tube one because mas madali siyang simutin. But this one is easy to use because meron naman na siyang pump. I will be using a sponge as well para pantay sila and they're both beauty blenders kaya pantay talaga sila. And I'm going to try this. Okay, here we go. Maybelline on this side. So far, so good. Nakikita ko agad na may coverage siya. On first application, hindi siya full coverage, but we'll see if this is buildable to full coverage. I don't have any primers on para matignan talaga natin kung magtatagal siya on its own. I only have my moisturizer. Now, this is a bit lighter than my skin shade, so I'm going to go ahead with Sun Beige. I can see a difference in the shades though, kasi parang pare-pareho sila ng tawag, di ba? May Sun Beige din sa L'Oreal Infallible. Pero yung shade niya, parang hindi as yellow tone. Parang mas neutral siya. This is the first layer for Maybelline. As you can see, hindi pa siya full coverage. So I'm going ahead and I will apply the second layer. And let's see if this is really buildable to full coverage. It sets to a matte finish. I can totally see na wala siyang sheen whatsoever. And now, it's L'Oreal's turn. I am using itong Fresh Beige and Natural Beige as well. Parang same, no? Natural Beige yung kanina rin sa Maybelline and Sun Beige naman. Sisimulan ko sa Natural Beige here on the center of my face. Yep, mas yellow-toned ang shades ng L'Oreal kaysa sa Maybelline. Same sila ng coverage sa unang application na parang medium. It also adheres to the skin very well. Like, hindi siya naiiwan lang sa sponge. There you go. And now, pupunta ako sa Fresh Beige and ilalagay ko siya on the outer parts of my face. Lagi akong gumagamit ng two shades because, you know, kailangan yan. I have a zit right here. Tignan natin kung gaano niya mako-cover yun. Medyo na-cover naman. Not totally, pero na-cover naman niya. So far, halos pareho sila ng coverage. So, nakikita ko. But in terms of shades, L'Oreal is winning but I will give it time to oxidize as well because of course mas nauna to, diba? So I will be applying the second layer and we will see kung ano ba yung mas maganda in the first few minutes. At para pantay kong makita yung performance ng dalawa, I will be setting both with the same powder. This is a translucent powder from Makeup Forever and this is very light. And I will dust it because ayoko masyadong patungan ng powder ito para makita talaga natin yung performance. And I'm back with my simple makeup dahil lalabas ako. Iniisip kong magpagupit or gumawa ng errands. Basta lalabas ako ng bahay para matest natin ito. And let's see kung paano siya magtatagal all throughout the day. It's already, sa laptop ko, it's already 15:06. It's 3:06 and come with me, samahan niyo ako sa buong araw na to. And let's see. Let's find out. Pagkatapos ko kumain, ito yung itsura niya sa natural light. So far, mukhang okay pa kasi bago pa. Pero we'll see. Mamaya pag nagtagal. And ngayon, hindi na ako nag-grab. Gusto ko na magpagupit. Ayun o. Gusto ko na siyang paiklian. Look at that. So tacky. Ooh! Perfect na ba ito? Ah! Sorry. Ayan, ako napapasubo ang foundation ko daw sa bandang hairline. Pero ate, so far, kamusta yung foundation? Like matte ba? Maganda pa? Hindi pa naman siya super oily.
Ito lang ang makeup mo.
Thank you. Ah, you wear! Ang tawag dito is just like a blonde cut. Just straight. Yeah. This is like the most sudden decision. It's really a makeover. But my foundation is doing okay. So far, so good. Hello, new hair. Sobrang biglaan. But wait, there's an interesting comment from Pat. Kasi sinabi ko sa kanya na I'm reviewing this foundation. This one is L'Oreal and this one is Maybelline. But he is saying that which one is more matte?
The one on the left side is more matte. The one on the right
The
side.
one on your left.
The one on my left. Yeah.
So
Your
this
right
is
side.
L'Oreal.
Your right side. Yeah, L'Oreal.
So you're saying that L'Oreal is more matte right now than Maybelline?
Yeah. Can you look again? Yeah, for sure.
Really? Interesting.
That's how yourself?
No, because it's a phone camera. Interesting. Okay. And I am back. Yes, I know. Alam ko na yung sabihin nyo. Like, what just happened? Bakit siya nagpagupit ang buhok? Alam ko, ako din, shocked dahil una, ganito talaga ako pagdating sa buhok. Napaka-impulsive ko. Kung maisipan ko magpagupit ng buhok, kung maisipan ko magpakulay ng buhok, I can do it in a snap of a finger. I don't think twice. Or parang hindi ko siya pinag-iisipan ng matagal. Lagi akong, okay, let's do it, let's cut it. Okay, let's dye it. Ganyan ako. So, yep, I just came from the salon and this is my natural hair. Hindi ako pala rebonded sa mga magtatanong. This is my natural hair. Lalo na pag bagong gupit and pag galing sa salon, syempre. And I am feeling my hair. I want to give a shout out to Brian for doing such a great job for not letting me go out of the salon without perfecting the hair color kasi napakahirap na i-perfect yung buhok ko dahil sa uneven na color, and he was able to correct everything. Thank you so much, Brian, for doing such a great job. Thank you so much. Pero balik muna tayo sa Beauty Wars, kung saan it's the battle of the drugstore oil-free foundation between Maybelline and L'Oreal. Time check, it's already 23:01. It's already 11:01 in the evening. And ito ang first time na makikita ko ang sarili ko sa salamin up close and see the situation of the foundation. Okay. Let's see. Sa forehead, kitang-kita ko na yung glow. It's oily. Like my face is oily as of the moment. Parehong ilong oily, on this part oily. Ang hindi lang oily sa face ko ay yung under eyes ko. Halos pareho sila, I would say. I will press it with the same amount of pressure. And this is Loreal. Yep, that's a bit oily. And this is Maybelline. It's the same. And then once na mablot naman siya, pareho naman silang nagmamattify and mukhang okay naman sila. Pag na-blot parang, yeah, super matte na agad. I know, kita nyo. Tapos ang velvety naman niya agad. So, that's good. And yung lagay naman ng foundation, pareho silang okay din. Hindi naman cakey, hindi naman streaky. For this beauty war, Maybelline Superstay Foundation versus L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation, I have to go with L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. That's because kahit na full coverage ang clean name ng Maybelline Superstay, after the same amount of hours na nasa mukha ko siya, pareho lang yung amount of oil sa mukha ko pagtapos. And if you blot it, pareho. Halos pareho sila ng coverage din, pareho sila ng longevity. Pero ang pinagkaiba ng L'Oreal ay yung shade niya at kung paano nag-oxidize or kung paano nagsisit yung pigment sa mukha ko. Napansin ko na yung color niya 30 minutes after applying both products on my face. Ang napansin ko is that parehong may natural beige akong nilagay sa mukha ko, pero yung glow ng L'Oreal Infallible is so much better than Maybelline's. Hindi ko alam kung kitang-kita sa camera, pero in person, brighter ang effect ng L'Oreal sa mukha compared to Maybelline. So, in return, after 5 hours or so, mukha ng haggard dito sa Maybelline. I'm not saying it's a bad product, but compared to L'Oreal, mas nag-oxidize na mabilis itong Maybelline and it appears darker than L'Oreal. And so kapag pinagtabi niyo yung shades na pareho, let's say natural beige ng Maybelline versus natural beige ng L'Oreal, I prefer the natural beige of L'Oreal because of its brightness, because of its there is that certain parang lightness that gives you a fresher look compared sa Maybelline. Maybelline is not a bad product at all, but that is the tiny detail that makes a difference because they have the same price point. They pretty much have the same features, long-lasting, matte. Magkaiba lang sila ng level of madness, but in the end, they're basically the same. And they have the same amount of product. Ang pinagkaiba lang nila yung packaging. But also, I prefer a tube type of foundation. That's because mas madaling simutin ito dahil kapag paubos na siya, gupitin nyo lang, masisimot nyo, or kung gusto nyo ilabas yung product, just squeeze it really hard compared to a pump na mahirap. You have to open this just to make sure that you get everything until the last drop. And that's it for our Beauty War episode. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give this a thumbs up and don't forget to get subscribed and notified by clicking the bell button below. And also, you may follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, all at Raiza Contawi. Kung meron kayong requests or suggestions para sa ating next episode, let me know on the comment section below. I will see you on the next Beauty War. Bye!